All right, Cha-Cha, have I got a treat for you. We're right here back at Big Cat Habitat for the MaCeo event that's inside. I can't wait to show everybody what it's all about. It's Tyler.
And Cha-Cha.
And we are out.
And about Sarasota.
All right, Cha-Cha, what am I going to say next?
Let us go in and take a gander. Let's do it.
All right, we're here with Orlicio. Wow, exciting stuff. What's going on behind us?
This is Cirque MaCeo, and this is a contemporary style circus show that features an array of different draft horse breeds and riding breeds, as well as a variety of beautiful aerial and stunt acts.
Wow, so Big Cat Habitat, how did you get involved?
I was actually born into this business. I'm 8th and 9th generation equestrian acrobat. I've been friends with the Rosaire family, the founders of Big Cat Habitat, my whole life. Right. So we were able to put this amazing show together and this amazing benefit for the animals.
Now, is this the first year you guys have actually done this?
This is the absolute first year, and this is also the first year that I've ever performed in my hometown of Sarasota.
All right, so obviously this is opening night. If our viewers are watching right now, when does this happen?
This happens Friday at 6 p.m., Saturday at 3:30 and 6 p.m., and also on Sunday at 3:30. Weekends only, running through February 4th with the hope of an extension.
So this is every weekend here at Big Cat?
Yep, running through January and possibly February, so it's super exciting.
That is very exciting. So if you've not seen the show, I promise you, we're going to give you a little glimpse of it tonight here on the show, but you got to come and see this in person. I mean, it's really like crazy, right?
It's a super intimate feel. You basically
thrilling.
You become part of the show. The artists are young, talented, raw. It's a very organic show. It's a show for the senses. It's not so much about the glitz and glamour. It's about raw talent.
Great. Now, if you want to get information, do you have a website in case someone
We do. CirqueMaCeo.com, and you can also go to BigCatHabitat.org.
Great. All right. Thanks so much. Stay right there. We've got so much more to come. You don't want to miss what's next. We'll be right back after this message. Family owned since 1963, Everglades Equipment Group has 14 locations, including right here in Sarasota, becoming one of the largest John Deere dealerships in the U.S.
Also featuring top brands like Stihl, Yeti, and so much more. With so many different models to choose from, come in and let the friendly and knowledgeable staff assist you with all your tractor and lawn care needs.
Check out the Sarasota location at 6209 McIntosh Road.
Hermes, I saw now your show. This was fantastic. This was such professional. You know what? This was 1+++. But Hermes, I asking you, how you come to this idea exactly make this show and acrobatic with the horses?
It's actually a family tradition doing bareback riding, which is the flipping on top of the horse. The last act that we did, what we closed the show with. And we're 3 brothers and 7-generation circus family.
Wow.
So we've been doing this our whole lives and usually working inside circuses or other type venues, rodeos and stuff like that. And in 2005, we came up with our own idea to do our own horse show and cover a large majority of the disciplines, all acrobatic based pretty much. Trick riding, Roman riding, and bareback riding, and acrobatics and aerialist. And we tried to make something that's very artistic and very enjoyable for the audience.
Very, very professional, I can tell. This was fantastic. How many years you do it?
I've been doing this since I was about 7 years old.
7 years. And tell me true, how many days or hours you need training that?
If you want to be good and perform at a high level, at least 4 or 5 hours a day, 4 or 5 times a week.
4 or 5 hours is enough, do that.
Yeah, well, we're doing a lot of different disciplines, so it's a lot of different styles of riding. We're not just covering 1 or 2, so at the end of the day, we're exhausted. We ride 10, 15 horses a day, and we're exhausted head to toe.
Thank you very much.
All right, Cha-Cha, what did you think?
What I think, I love it. This was fantastic evening. I mean, nobody can miss this. Guys, it's not 2 days. Come on here and see this show. Acrobat, horses, fun, and very, very professional.
And fire, did you see all the fire?
Yes, I saw this fire. Wow, I tell you, I saw really. Oh, I hope we made it. We don't get the fire here.
All this fun can be found right here at Big Cat Habitat, and you heard it. It's here until every weekend until February, so get your tickets for sure. That's going to bring this segment 10 in. We want to thank you once again for joining us, and we'll see you once again when we're out
And about Sarasota.
Out and About Sarasota, made possible by these fine sponsors. This has been an Out and About media production, product of Sarasota Socialites.